How to sketch two images on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. For that, first of all, you have to go your setting, and under setting you can see the Galaxy Eye. Go to Galaxy Eye and you have to enable your drawing assistance. Just enable this option. So once you enable, now you have to go your note and go to the notes. Now once you open the notes, for example, I am creating a new notes, and let's try to draw something. Or you can use add text. Press on this icon, then you can see the drawing asset. Press on drawing assist, then select your drawing. Now you have to just round up, then you can see the sketch or watermark or what you need. For example, I need sketch. If you press on generate, then it will be give you the results. And you can also add text as well. Here's the image, and if you want to add text like bird on the tree, then press on generate again, then it will give you definitely the different result. So you have to write the right prompt, then it will be give you the proper result. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.